video we know about how much sand do I need for 4 foot by 4 foot sandbox. Here you have given find out the sand quantity required for 4 by 4 sandbox. You know that a sandbox is a box that contains sand material for playing of children, and here children can play and make fun with sand. And first we make rough diagram to understand about the different dimension for this sandbox. Here is the rough diagram to understand about the different dimension of this sandbox. The surrounding perimeter of sandbox covered with lumber, and their size should be 4 inches by 4 inches. This is the lumber 4 by 4 inches and covered all the surrounding this one, and it comes in 3 layers. And this is the length of your sandbox, that is 4 foot, and this one is the width of sandbox, that is 4 foot, and this one is the depth of sandbox, which is about 8 inches, and this one is playing area of sand. This one is playing area, and you have to fill the sand in this playing area or space, but you don't need to fill the sand material all the top way, and it is good idea to leave the few inches of space at the top. So we recommend the depth of the sand material should be 6 inches, which is equal as half cubic foot. First you want to calculate the required volume of sand for this sandbox. First we calculate the volume. The formula for volume of sand, you just multiply length in feet, width in feet, and their thickness in foot. This will is 4 foot multiply 4 foot and half cubic foot. The volume, this will come about 8 cubic foot. It means you need 8 cubic foot amount of sand for 4 by 4 sandbox. And if you want to purchase 50-pound bags of playing sand, this is playing sand, and if you want to calculate how many 50-pound bags of playing sand required for 4 by 4 sandbox, each 50 pounds playing sand yields volume about half cubic foot. Remember this one. Each 50-pound playing sand yields volume about half cubic foot. For 8 cubic foot volume, the number of 50 pounds bags of playing sand, you just multiply the volume in cubic foot. 8 multiply 2, this will come about 16 bags. It means you need something like 16 bags of 50 pounds playing sand, or either 8 cubic foot of sand for 4 by 4 sandbox. Thank you.